How to create hosting packages in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to the Web Host Manager, WHM. Now let's learn how to create hosting packages. Hosting packages help speed up the process of creating new cPanel hosting accounts by predefining several properties of the account you want to create, i.e., storage space, bandwidth, emails, parked domains, etc. You can create as many hosting packages as you wish. Click the Packages link here. Click the Add Package link. This is where you set up a new predefined account package. Let's go ahead and create a package called Silver. Click here and make sure you enter a single word name. Don't use any underscores or dashes. Note that space and bandwidth must be entered in megabytes MB and not gigabytes GB. In this case, we'll enter 10,000 megabytes in disk quota, which is equal to 10 gigabytes. Let's enter 100,000 megabytes in bandwidth, which is equal to 100 gigabytes. Now continue down the list, setting limits for each of the resources. Generally, you should specify an amount for space and bandwidth, but it's also advisable to set an amount for parked and add-on domains. Let's set that. In the latest version of WHM, you will also see maximum hourly email limit and other email options. It's highly recommended that you set an amount. Don't use unlimited, which can take your server down if a user starts spamming. Now scroll down. Here you can set some extra options. Generally, you don't need to change any of this. You can select dedicated IP if you want to give one with the package. When finished, click the Add button. That's it. The new account package has been created and can now be used to speed up the hosting account creation process. Click the Packages link. Then click Edit Packages. Here you can see the new package that we just created. This is the end of the tutorial. Remember that you can create as many hosting packages as you wish, and that they greatly speed up the process of creating new hosting accounts.